Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's the 23rd of March today, and the plans for today are to go to school to get textbooks for 12th grade. I recently uploaded 11th grade finals vlog, and our 11th exams got over on 21st. And literally one day after that, we had to go to school to get textbooks for 12th grade. We went to school in the morning and got the textbooks and came back home. After that, I did some mandala art. I started with this one yesterday and I thought to complete it today, and I also had to shoot, so I did that as well. After that, I thought to organize the textbooks that I got for 12th grade. I just took out the 11th grade textbooks and notebooks, cleaned a little and organized the 12th grade textbooks there. Hey guys, it's actually the next day. So today my friends and I had planned to hang out together. So we went to a game zone. We also went for bowling. It was really fun. The other day we went to shop some stationery and art supplies, which is my favorite thing to do. I love shopping stationery and art supplies. I just had to get a sketchbook for my classes, but obviously I did not just get that one sketchbook. I got a few more things along with it. So here's a little stationery haul. I got a few of these last week as well. The first thing we have is this MDF board. I wanted to try lip art for so long, so I got this for that. Then we have this transparent acrylic sheet. Again, I wanted to try painting on an acrylic sheet for so long. I think it's called reverse painting. Yeah, I wanted to try it for so long, so I thought to get it. Then we have the classic ocean gel pens. These are black gel pens. I use black gel pens for notes and all, so I got a set of these. Then the Jiffy gel pens from Reynolds. I really like how they write. I've also used them for exams, so I got a set of these also. Then we also have a single blue ink gel pen from Dorito. This one is the Flymax gel. After that, two pieces of these gel ink pens from Mr. DIY. I saw them in the store and I really wanted to try them out. And I thought they were blue, but no, they were black. And because I use black pens more than blue, I was really happy. After that, I also got this fountain pen from Flair. I don't know why I got this design, but does it really matter? No. After that is this paint marker from Artline. It writes on plastic, metal, glass and wood. It is kind of like Posca, but not really Posca. I mean, I haven't used Posca, so I don't really know how it works, but this one does its job pretty well. This is white in color, by the way, because it's used a lot. I just thought to get a white one. Then are these key rings. I wanted to make a few keychains, so I got a set of 10. Then these little mirrors for lip art. I also have a few more shapes of these. Now we have my favorite part of the stationery and art supplies haul, the paint brushes that I got. So this one is a wash brush of 50 mm. I am obsessed with all these brushes in the haul. I am so in love with them. This is my favorite set of brushes that I have. I am so in love with them. I haven't used them yet because I feel like they are so pretty to be used. So there is an angular brush, a fan brush, a zero numbered and a filbert one. Honestly, I did not know these names before I got them. I just wanted a fan brush, but I got it in a set of these, so I thought why not, they are so nice. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.